Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena and you are watching My Favorites by Ellen here on YouTube. And today we're going to do something different. So I do have a box here that I just got from FedEx this morning, and we are going to unbox it. It's actually from Tiffany & Co. And I just ordered champagne flutes for a co-worker who is going to go on retirement pretty soon. So I just wanted her to have something special when we go ahead and have that going away party with her, I think by the end of the month. Alright, so just bear with me. Let me just open this one and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just cut open the box and there it is. So it's that familiar Tiffany & Co. box and the white ribbon, and I have that invoice there. So let me fish this out of this cardboard box and I'll be right back again. Right now it's already out of the cardboard box, and let's go ahead and unbox it now. Tiffany & Co. So let's keep the ribbon, and I'm going to tie it later after I show you what's inside. Alright. Oh, pretty neat. They don't use the usual bubble wrap anymore, so this is like a paper. It's been a while that I have ordered something from Tiffany & Co. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this wrapping. So these are the champagne flutes. So they wrapped it individually. And just want to make sure there's no breakage or anything like that. Okay, there it is. So that's one. So no break. Oh, sorry. So that's one. So there's no break. I want to make sure. Alright. So that's the first one. Alright. There's the Tiffany & Co. etching there. And the Tiffany & Co. Made in Germany. Alright, so let's just get it back. Oh, we are doing that later. Okay, let's put it away for now. And let's try to open the other one. I just want to make sure that I'm not going to break this one. Okay, let's put it there. Let's open the next one. They used to put these champagne flutes on a form inside this box, but they changed the wrapping or the gift box. So alright, so this is the next one. Again, no chip or anything like that. It's in perfect condition. So that's the made in Germany hallmark, crystal glass, and the Tiffany & Co. Alright, so sorry. So that's the champagne flutes, a pair of champagne flutes for my co-worker who's going to be retiring soon. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing. And oh, sorry, by the way, I'm wearing my Frank Gehry Tiffany & Co. diamond ring. So it's actually because Frank Gehry is an architect, right? So it's like a sculpture that I can wear, designed by Frank Gehry for Tiffany & Co. And this one is, oh, this one is 18 karat white gold with pave diamonds there. And then this one is they call it the Tiffany & Co Metro ring, so the diamond is around this very thin ring. Alright, so that's it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye now. Before I leave, guys, I just want to show you how to retie the Tiffany & Co bow. And just so you know, I worked for Tiffany for 5 years, and I used to do a lot of course, like every purchase we gave out boxes with every purchase, and of course it always every purchase always comes with a Tiffany box and a Tiffany bow, and we had to tie it in front of the client, so no pressure there. And like I said, I used to do it a lot, and I think I'm a bit rusty, so each one has a different way of tying it, but that's how I did it. So I don't tie a knot on my Tiffany bow, as you can see, and I don't know if you were able to see it, but I can do it again for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, here it is. So I'll take a piece this much length of the ribbon hanging, and I'll just put my thumb right here and put the rest of the ribbon around this huge box. And once it's around, again, my thumb will not leave that ribbon, so that it will be in place. And next one, I put it around on the other side. And now that I'm here, okay, so I'll just pretty much adjust my ribbon just to make sure that they have the same, like approximately the same length that I will leave hanging. And then now once I have this one, I'll put it across and then under, so in the diagonal way. And once I have that, I can tighten it. And like I said, I don't tie a knot on my ribbon, and I'll just tighten it a bit without tying it, and then I'll put my thumb right here, and then now I can start to create my ribbon. So loop here, one loop, and then the second loop will be this other end, and put it under, and that's your ribbon. So that's your Tiffany ribbon. I know it's not perfect, but that'll do. Typically it will be, I will go on one side like this, so you can either tie the bow like this, so that the ends will be hanging. Alright, thank you for watching.